Okay, so welcome back to the continuation of our LED project in Arduino. So in our previous lesson, what we learned was to actually we wrote a code to tell our Arduino board to add to put on our LED lights, okay, and then put it off. Then it should loop this code, okay. So in this particular lesson, we are actually going to see it in action. So what we would have to do is to go to our file, or correct, let's verify the code. So we are going to verify the code. You can see we have compiling sketch here. Okay, so let's wait for the output or the display. Yes, okay, so it's a success. So it's done compiling, as you see here. Okay, and now we can upload it onto our Arduino board. So this, to upload it, you use this icon here. Okay, so I'm going to upload it onto my board. Let's see. Well, let me. Okay, so I'll upload it. Okay, and then let's see what is going to happen on. Okay, so you can see there's some lights blinking on our LED or Arduino board. Okay, so there might be an error. Let's see what is happening. Let me pause the video. Okay, so I found the error. So the
So the
mistake
error
was
was our pin, okay, was in pin 13, which is why the code wasn't running, okay. So we would have to change it to
so
our ground. So I'm going to take the pin out and then move it to ground, that's the GND, and then we should have it blinking. Okay, so you can see it's blinking.
you can see our light is blinking. So our code is a success, and then remember to connect your ground pin to the GN pin. Okay. So guys, thank you, and then see you in the next lesson.